How to use Visa gift card on Walmart online. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Visa gift card on Walmart online. Now, you can head into the Walmart app on your phone or any other devices, or you can head into the browser as well. Now here I'm on the browser on my phone. What you want to do is you want to head into walmart.com. You'll be headed into official Walmart page here. Now make sure you're logged into your account. Now currently I'm not logged in. I'm not being able to sign up currently due to some server issues, but you'll be able to do so. So I'll just guide you through. What you want to do is you want to add items that you want to buy into your cart. Now simply select the items that you want to buy or purchase and then head into the cart option. Now simply tap on the cart option at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the cart icon there, and now what you want to do is you want to tap on continue to checkout option. Once you tap on continue to checkout, it'll ask you for payment methods there. However, I'm not signed in here, so it is asking me. What you want to do is you want to sign in and then you want to add the item to your cart, and then from there you want to continue to checkout, and on the checkout option it'll ask you for payment details, and there you want to select the type of card that you want to use for payment. You can select payment method, you want to select card, and then you want to select the card type, and then you want to enter in your gift card details and you'll be able to use it. So this way you can use Visa gift card on Walmart online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.